The diagram you see behind me is the Fogg behaviour model. This is the culmination of many years of work by Professor BJ Fogg at Stanford University in the United States, which shows us that for us to be able to introduce a new behaviour, a long-lasting new behaviour, we must focus on three main factors. You can see on the vertical axis we have motivation. Of course, it's always good to have a certain amount of motivation if we want to do something new. On the horizontal axis you can see the word ability. Now what that means is that if the new behaviour is very difficult, then we would have a low amount of ability, whereas if the new behaviour is very easy and also tiny, then of course our ability to do that new behaviour increases. Now the third factor involved here, which is shown in the graph, is the prompt. Here depicted by a spark plug, as we use it in Formula Win selling as the spark plug which ignites the engine of the new behaviour. Now the prompt will only work if the new behaviour is placed above this curve. The curve is known as the action line. And when a behaviour is below the action line, then it doesn't matter what sort of prompt we have, then it simply doesn't work. So why is that? Well, you can see that if a behaviour is very difficult and we have low ability, it doesn't really matter how much motivation we have. The new behaviour will always be below the action line. Whereas if we make the new behaviour much easier to do, so we have more ability, we can also have less motivation because that new behavior is now above the action line as it moves across. So this is the Fogg behavior model. As I said, it is the foundation of tiny habits. Extremely easy to visualize here, I hope, and even easier to implement in one's daily life, be they personal new behaviors we want to introduce or professional.